Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can turn off your last scene on the Field app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply scroll to your home page and tap open your Field app, and once your Field app gets completely booted up, you will end up in the home page of your Field app. So once you're on the home page, simply tap on the profile like icon, and from the profile icon you can simply scroll down and tap open your edit profile. So here you need to simply scroll down and tap on the hide me on field. As you don't have a direct option to hide your last scene, you need to simply hide your profile so that you can go and not seen as active. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.